The world is evolving faster than ever before. From self-driving car navigating on our roads to AI-powered virtual assistants simplifying our daily tasks. From personalized shopping experience to life-changing medical diagnostics, AI and machine learning is transforming every corner of our lives. But have you ever paused to wonder what fuels this technological revolution? It starts with data science, the heartbeat of AI. Data science is an art and science of transforming raw data into actionable insights, while AI and machine learning pushes the boundaries by enabling systems to learn, adapt, and take intelligent decisions by their own. Hi, I am Vivek, a principal data scientist and AI practitioner. Over the years, I have helped professionals and businesses to leverage the power of data and AI to drive success. Today, I am thrilled to introduce you to our comprehensive course, Data Science with Generative AI. So, designed to equip you with the knowledge and the required practical skills to excel in the ever-evolving field. Global industries embrace AI to streamline operations, predict future trends, personalize customer experience, and automate complex processes. Companies in retail, finance, healthcare, logistics, and beyond leveraging the power of AI to innovate, stay competitive, and drive business growth. As AI reshapes the future, the demand of skilled data scientists and AI experts is soaring. Organizations are actively seeking for the professionals who analyze data, build predictive models, and deploy cutting-edge AI solutions. This high-impact career comes with rewarding salary, limitless growth opportunities, and the chance to work at forefront of innovation. And now, generative AI pushing the boundaries even further. Tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, DeepSeek, Stable Diffusion, and other advanced models are revolutionizing the content creation, software development, and problem solving. The demand of skilled data scientists and AI professionals are skyrocketing. According to the industry reports, AI-related job roles have increased by over 75% in last few years. Salaries are highly competitive, and companies are investing heavily in building AI-powered solutions. This is your gateway for future-proof career. Our comprehensive course, Data Science with Gen AI, is meticulously designed to empower you with the skills and the practical experience needed to thrive this exciting field. Whether you're just starting your journey or looking to upskill, our structured curriculum, expert-led sessions, and hands-on projects will prepare you to master data science, machine learning, and generative AI tools. Don't just witness the future, shape it. Enroll in our Data Science with Generative AI course today and take a first step to the extraordinary career. Your journey into the world of data science and AI begins today.